we worked on a little lab identifying rocks. And on the rock process, we were explaining why rocks were certain shapes, certain colors, certain luster, if it had a luster color or it was dull, right?
Shape.
Today we're going to use a software from the iPad called PicCollage. What we're going to do is we're going to look for 9 types of rocks of each. 9 sedimentary rocks, 9 metamorphic rocks, and 9 igneous rocks. We're going to look for 9 pictures of each. Once you get 9 pictures of each type of rock, yes, you're going to put them on a sheet. The picture's got to be small. After we do that, we're going to do a little lab identifying those rocks by using their traits. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so everybody get on the PicCollage on your iPads first. Okay? Okay. Once you're on the application, let's all start looking for 9 sedimentary rocks and put that picture on that page. Let's look for the 9 sedimentary rocks first. Yes.
Este parece de Space, de Mars.
9.
Este
Yes, 9
parece
please.
Mars.
It's okay. You get in trouble, ask me or Ms. Lamos to help you out.
Así,
That's what
mira.
you're for.
Ahí está.
9 for each. We're gonna first identify 9 sedimentary rocks first. Just once you get 9 images of sedimentary rocks, you're gonna use this table.
No, pero.
You use this table and you're gonna identify each one of them by if it's shiny, dull, smooth, rough, looks like glass, looks like metal, the color, and the size. The size is a little bit, guys, back there. The size, let's leave the size blank for a while because right now it's an image, so in the image it's kind of tricky to identify the size of the rock. So we'll skip the size on the table. But do identify the rest of the traits for each rock that you chose by a check mark for is yes and next for no. Got it?
No le ponemos un text.
No, not right now. That's going to be later on during the lab. Okay? That's a little bit trickier to labeling, actually identifying the rock. It's a little bit tricky with the names. That's for later on. Everybody understand what you're doing?
Yes.
Everybody understand what we're doing? Yes? Raise your hand if you need help. Remember, you chose these rocks. Looks tricky. No. Okay. What's going on? Let me help him. What's going on? Okay. Look. Can you choose a rock? Okay. So make one smaller. Okay, make one smaller. Big deal. Okay, no big deal. Make one smaller. You guys know how to use technology? We don't. We're gonna learn. Make one smaller. And then you double tap it. English, please. Okay, put it again.
¿Qué necesitamos que hacer en esto?
Dull means that it's not shiny. The opposite is shiny. Okay. Okay. Now you have 9 of them, right? Don't worry about naming your rocks yet. We're gonna do that later. We're gonna save this and we're gonna name them later. Okay. We're gonna compare it to some of the rocks I have. Okay. So right now we're doing this. We're getting these rocks and giving them the table test, the rock classification. Okay. Guys, when you see a rock that looks kind of like a metal, sometimes they are like metal inside, or ores. Ores are like shiny parts of the rock. Perfect. Do the same thing. Another page on your PicCollage. I'm going to give you another table, and we'll do the same thing for. Oh, I'm sorry. There's only 8. Go ahead and use 8. It's fine. Choose your, yes. Make sure you put your names on those tables.